All right, this is Barney with Russell Real Estate, and today I just wanted to go over where we're at in the market. So I check the MLS every morning, and part of what I do is I look at all of the properties that closed out the previous day. So all of these properties sold and were actually closed within the past 24 hours. And today's date is November 4th, 2022. And a lot of people have been wondering, our house is still selling for asking price, at asking, above, below, whatever the case may be. And I just wanted to give you a quick little snapshot of the day because I've done this before where I show the overall end of month statistics as far as what percentage we are currently selling at. So I just wanted to kind of show you what each individual house looks like too then. So 32 closed transactions. I'm not going to spend a ton of time here, but basically this one in Berea sold for $10,000 over. We have $1,500 under in Brecksville, $100 over in Brecksville, so basically at asking. This was a pretty significant one for this Parma property right here, so we're actually $22,000 over, so we still do see that even on a lower priced home, which this was listed at $158,000, sold at $180,000. 10,000 under basically, or 11 there. 10,000 under here. We have 6,000 and change there. We have 1,500 over asking here in Parma. 10,000 over in this Parma property here. 14 in this Parma property here. So as you can see, a lot of the Parma properties are still selling at or above asking. This one is actually 15,000 under asking. And what I usually do too, if there's a really bad outlier, I actually look into it to see, okay, why did it sell that far under asking? Why did it sell that far above asking? Because asking price really is just a starting point. I could list a $300,000 home and put the asking price at $270,000. And sure, we'll sell it above the $270,000, and maybe we'll even get the $300,000 or more. But where are they starting their asking price? But this is at least a good indicator of how healthy your market is. So, for example, this one here, we're looking 7,000 under asking there, about asking there, just over 10,000 change there, 10,000 over here. $7,000 under in this Strongsville condo, 2,500 under there, 2,000 under for this Westlake property, 2,000 over for this Westlake property. So you could see, I mean, things are still selling near asking price the majority of the time. This is actually $26,000 above asking. That's a new construction, so that's at the list price is the sold price there. 10,000 under for this Brunswick property, 10,000 over for that one, $7,000 under for that, $7,000 under for this Medina condo, $500 under, $15,000 over, $2,000 over for Wadsworth. This one we're looking at 13 under for Wadsworth. For this Fairlawn property, right at asking, and for this Hudson property, we're looking at $7,000 or $6,000 over asking. So I mean, you could see, and then this one was exactly at asking. You could see, once again, Northeast Ohio and the areas that I primarily serve, we are not seeing a big downturn for houses selling well below asking. There were a couple of properties that did sell $10,000 or more below asking, but did the listing agent or seller price their home too high at that initial price point or asking, or was there something wrong with the property that maybe they went under contract at asking and were able to negotiate for things after the inspection? So that's just a quick little snapshot of where we're at here in the beginning of November 2022. If you have any questions on the Northeast Ohio market, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, have a great day.